Oh, that is a high top edge. Hasn't got enough. Out. The big fish, Kusal Mendes, is gone. We cannot see his side over the line.
Naveen ul Haq, first ball goes into the hands of the fielder. Is that Pathum Nissanka who takes the catch? That's it. How fitting, the last wicket going to Naveen ul Haq. 3 wickets to him. That is brilliant catch. Final rights. Last wicket to fall. Mohammad Amir going for the big shot.